You may choose on or off by pressing the double arrow button. The meter will beep in the following instances if set to on. When you push the S button or the double arrow button to turn on the meter. When the test strip is inserted in the meter. When the blood sample is absorbed into the test strip and the test starts. When the test result is displayed. When you push the double arrow button to set the post-meal alarm. When it is time for a preset blood glucose test. If the sound setting is off, a mute symbol appears and all sound functions are switched off. After setting the sound function, press the S button to go on to the next. CareSense NPOP allows you to turn the strip expiration date indicator on or off in this setting. Caution: do not use test strips past expiration date. Expired test strips must be discarded. When EP blinks on the display, press the double arrow button to choose on or off. Press the S button to save the setting. In this stage, only strip expiration date indicator function can be set. Expiration date setting can be done after all the settings are completed. After setting the strip expiration date indicator function, press the S button to set the hypoglycemia indicator function. The meter will display hypo and the hypoglycemia icon. The meter displays on or off by pressing the double arrow button. When on appears on the display, press the S button to set hypoglycemia level. Press the double arrow button to set an appropriate hypoglycemia level within the range of 1.1 to 3.3 millimoles per litre. Press the S button to complete the setting. Please refer to your healthcare professional's advice before setting the hypoglycemia level. If you do not want to set the hypoglycemia indicator function, press the S button when the meter displays off. Then the display moves back to the setting the year. In all setting modes, pressing the S button for 3 seconds designates the meter to store the current data and turns the meter off. Strips must be stored in their original vial and should be handled with clean and dry hands. Strips pulled out from the vial should be immediately used, and the vial should be closed right after removing the strip. Discard expired strips for more accurate measurement. If you have turned on the strip expiration date indicator at the setting stage, in this stage you'll be able to set the strip expiration date. Strip expiration date is marked on the strip vial or box. The meter will display all features and then EP when pressing both the double arrow and the S button at the same time for 3 seconds. Press the S button to set the year. If the year blinks, press the double arrow button to set the correct expiration year. After setting the year, press the S button to set the month. Set the correct month with the same method and press the S button for 3 seconds to turn off the meter. Do not use the test strips past expiration date. Expired test strips must be discarded. Before using CareSense meters and test strips, always read the instructions and advice in the owner's manual, quick guide and test strip package insert. For further advice, please contact your health professional.